I've added a shark and we're going to shoot him with the bananas. So let's have a look what happens. When I press the space bar, the bananas fire out, but nothing goes on. I'm going to say, in this little loop here that happens when the bananas move, if, so let's put it underneath that one, if I happen to touch the shark, so if I'm touching sprite 3, the shark, then I need to do the same as this. I need to hide and I need to stop script. The problem is the shark doesn't react because the shark needs to know it's been hit. We could put into the shark if I'm touching sprite 2 and do something similar from there, but I'm going to show you how to use the broadcast command. Broadcast is like holding up a sign, and everything watches for these signs to work out if it needs to do something. So I'm going to say hide and broadcast I've been hit. So it holds up a sign saying I've been hit. In the shark, I can say when I receive I've been hit, then what do I want to happen? Well, I would suggest the first thing we want to do is to make the shark vanish. Later on, we'll give the shark the ability to increase the score, but for now he's going to vanish, and let's make him go to a random place on the screen. So go to a random number between, what should I put in here for x? Let's have a look. The furthest I want him to go is there, at which point his x position is 152. And the furthest the other way is going to be there, which is minus 149. So by picking a random number between those two, he'll appear somewhere along that line. And then I can do the same again for y. The highest I want him is there, 115. And the lowest I want him is there, which is minus 126. Now, if you were, for example, having an underwater scene and only wanted the shark to appear between there and there, then you'd use the two values from there. Don't be afraid to move the shark around. Go to that position. I would always wait for a second or thereabouts before reappearing. And that should be it. So, off we go. We can move, we can shoot the shark vanishes and appears somewhere else. Oops, missed, and unfortunately I can't move down, so I'll have to move the mouse. There you can see the shark appears somewhere different each time.